Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. In today's lesson, we're diving into the world of HTML5 semantic elements. If you're completely new to programming, don't worry, we'll take it step by step, so let's get started. What are semantic elements? In HTML5, semantic elements are those that clearly describe their meaning in a human and machine readable way. They help structure your web page more meaningfully, making it easier for search engines and screen readers to understand your content. You might wonder, why use semantic elements? Well, they improve accessibility, making your website more user-friendly for people with disabilities. They also enhance your site's SEO, as search engines can better understand the structure and content of your pages. Now let's look at some examples. So header, this element represents the header of your web page, often containing navigation links or your site's logo. The nav element is used for navigation links. It's great for making your site's navigation more accessible. So in this example, we have an unordered list of 3 navigation links, which are home, about, and contact. Now I'll add another example underneath, which is the article tag. Use article for independent, self-contained content like a blog post or news content. And in our next example, for section, the section element is used to group related content. It's great for organizing your page into distinct sections. Finally, the footer element represents the footer of your page, often containing copyright information or links to privacy policies. You can style these elements just like any other HTML element. For example, you could add some CSS to make your header stand out. And that's a quick wrap on HTML5 semantic elements. By using these elements, you can create more structured, accessible, and SEO-friendly web pages. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code with Ro for more coding tutorials. Happy coding and see you in the next lesson.